So it's often useful before you start your job to, on a flat one, to actually install the dust collector. And how you install the dust collector is it's magnetic. It's got little magnets on it. Is it just magnets on? Okay, and then you're going to take your dust hose collector and slide it on, and then you will just clamp in it into the little clamps and make sure that it's still firmly connected in. And then when you install your bit, I'm just going to grab another bit, is you will just do the bit installation exactly the same. Okay, boom. And I like to do that after I've done all of the probing. I don't like to have this installed when the probe is installed, just in case if this is going to interfere at all. It shouldn't, but yeah, just how I like to do it. And that's how you install the dust collector. And what this is going to do is this is going to keep dust from getting everywhere in the machine. And what you will do for the dust extractor is in the very back, you will take the dust hose, and there's a little black exhaust vent. It's about a big. You will take this and you will just put it in the little hole in the back and turn on the vacuum. And then it will take all the dust out the back and throw it into the vacuum cleaner. And that's how you do it.